Tell me the smallest two-digit number which, when divided by 5 and 7, gives remainder 3 and 5 respectively. Smallest two-digit number which, when divided by 5 and 7, gives remainder 3 and 5 respectively. I explain you question. You have to tell me a two-digit number. If I divide that number by 5, I get a remainder 3. Same number, if I divide by 7, I get remainder 5. Try this. मतलब ऐसा दो डिजिट नंबर बताओ जिसको 5 से डिवाइड करने पे तो रिमाइंडर 3 आएगा, और उसी नंबर को 7 से डिवाइड करने पे यू गेट रिमाइंडर 5. टू डिजिट नंबर डिवाइडेड बाय 5 रिमाइंडर 3, डिवाइडेड बाय 7 रिमाइंडर 5. हाँ जी, लास्ट में एनी आंसर? क्या 38 एंड 38 एंड एक ही नंबर बताना है. यू कांट टेल मी टू डिफरेंट नंबर. सम स्टूडेंट दे गिव आंसर मी 38 एंड 40. कहते चेक कर लो सब. इसको 5 से डिवाइड किया तो रिमाइंडर आया 3. 40 को जब 7 से, वैसे तो हाँ 735 रिमाइंडर 5. बट आई टेल यू कांट टेल मी टू डिफरेंट नंबर, सेम नंबर. ओके, सम स्टूडेंट दे गिव मी आंसर 33. ठीक है जी. नाउ लेट मी चेक. यू नो द कंसेप्ट या तुक्का लग गया? After 33, tell me the next number which satisfy the question. Some student they think in exam if this question will ask, they will check manually. जो आप कर रहे हो माइंड में सोच रहे हो 10, 11, 12 ऐसा कुछ चेक कर रहे हो कि क्या कुछ क्लिक कर रहा है, एंड somehow 33 क्लिक. तो कहीं लगा ये, नहीं तो कंसेप्ट होता तो नेक्स्ट नंबर भी आ जाएगा. हाँ 68. हाँ थोड़ा थोड़ा कंसेप्ट समझ में आ रहा है आपको. After 33, check 33. 33 is that smallest two-digit number which divided by 5 gives you remainder 3, and 33 divided by 7 gives you remainder 5. So answer is 33. After 33, what is the next number which satisfies the question is 68. Check कर लो. 68 divided by 5 gives you remainder 3. 68 divided by 7 gives you a remainder 5. But now here you are taking time. This question required 5 seconds if you can learn the concept. So now I tell you the concept behind this question. So you put heading negative remainder. So there is a concept called negative remainder. School days, this negative remainder has been taught because not in school syllabus. Okay, but this negative remainder is a wonderful short trick to solve question in LCM topic, in remainder theorem topic. Remainder theorem I will teach you later. I tell you what is the concept of remainder. Remainder का concept क्या है? What is positive remainder and what is negative remainder? We will understand what is remainder and you will understand what is negative remainder. I tell you how. Like for example, you are having 41 chocolate with you. Okay. Last week on Valentine Day, you were distributing 4 chocolate per head. Okay. You distributed 40 chocolate. कहीं तो बात बने. you left with one chocolate. What you are saying? You are saying you have one chocolate extra. But according to me, you have 3 chocolate less. आपके पास 3 chocolate कम है. You can purchase 3 more chocolate. 1 plus 3 become 4, and you can give this 4 chocolate to someone. क्या पता वही बात बननी हो. So you see extra part, but you can see simultaneously the less part. You have 3 chocolate less also. Similarly, like you have 42 chocolate and you distribute 4 chocolate per head. You distributed 40 chocolate. You are having 2 chocolate extra. But according to me, you have 2 chocolate less. You can purchase 2 more chocolate. 2 plus 2 become 4. Like for example, you have 43 chocolate, you distribute 4 chocolate per head, 40 chocolate distributed. You are saying you have 3 chocolate extra, but according to me you have 1 chocolate less. मेरे हिसाब से आपके पास 1 chocolate कम है. So 3 plus become 4 and you can give this 4 chocolate to someone. या आप 4 chocolate किसी को दे सकते. Now here I tell you what is remainder, what is positive remainder and what is negative remainder concept. What is remainder concept has been covered during school days. आपको जब remainder concept बताया, teacher asked number right here, divisor here, take multiple of 4. Examiner asked or teacher asked you to take the nearest multiple of 4, near to 41. What is nearest multiple of 4 here? 40. आपने लिया 40. Then teacher told it is remainder 1. What is remainder? This number is 1 extra as compared to multiple of divisor. Your number is 1 extra as compared to multiple of divisor. Multiple of divisor. Maybe if you can recall school days, if any one of you ask your teacher, कि teacher there is one more multiple of 4, 44. उस टाइप टीचर ने बोला ये दिख रहा है बैठ जाओ. ठीक है, they have not explained this concept, but now you can ask. There is a one more multiple of 4 you have. 41 के पास 2 multiple of 4 है. One is 40, another is 44. As compared to 40, it is 1 extra. But as compared to 44, it is 3 less. So less means you have to borrow, which is a negative thing. So it is a negative remainder 3. So I tell you, we have a number 41. We have a divisor 4. So we have one divisor for number 40. So what we will do, we take multiple of 4 near to number. School days you have taken 40. Now you are allowed to take 44 also. अब आप 44 भी ले सकते हो. As compared to 40, 41 is 1 extra, so it is 1 positive remainder. But now if you compare 41 with respect to 44, it is 3 less. So it is 3 negative remainder. ये कम है, कम होता है negative thing. Similarly, like you have 42, you divide it by 4. Tell me multiple of 4 near to 42, both multiple, एक छोटा एक बड़ा. 40 and 44. As compared to 40, 42 is 2 extra, so 2 positive remainder. But as compared to 44, it is 2 less. Less means negative thing, so it is 2 negative remainder. Now next is 43. And your divisor is 4. So here multiple of 4 we have 2. 140, 144. As compared to 40, it is 3 extra. But as compared to 44, it is 1 less, 1 negative remainder. And I tell you one thing, this positive and negative remainder are complementary. By complementary, what I mean, their total is equal to divisor. ये दोनों मिलके divisor के बराबर होते हैं. Ignore the sign. What is 1 and 3? 4. 2 and 2, 4. 3 and 1, 4. What is the utility of this? इसकी utility क्या है? Like you have 75 chocolate, you distribute 7 chocolate per head, 70. You have 5 extra, but as compared to 77, it is 2 less. You have positive remainder 5, negative remainder 2. What is total of your positive and negative remainder? Is equal to divisor. I tell you what is the use. If I divide a number by 7, if I say positive remainder is 1, can you tell me what is negative remainder? 6. If I divide a number by 7, I say positive remainder 4. What about negative remainder? 3. Because 4 and 3 equal to 7. So if you know the positive remainder, we can immediately find negative remainder. Like I divide a number by 13. If 10 is positive remainder, what will be negative remainder? 3. I divide a number by 13, positive remainder 1. What will be negative remainder? 12. If negative given, you can find positive. अगर negative दिया तो positive भी निकाल सकते हैं. You divide a number by 7. If your 2 is your negative remainder, what will be positive remainder? 5. Okay. In LCM, we have two type of question. Either your positive remainder is same or negative remainder is same. Let me solve 3-4 questions so that all of you can understand the concept behind this question, and answer is 33. रुको, मेरे को ये क्वेश्चन और इसके अलावा 2-3 क्वेश्चन और सॉल्व करने हैं. Smallest 2-digit number which when divided by 5 and 7 gives remainder 3 and 5 respectively. First you check whether your positive remainder same, then it is LCM plus R, what we have discussed in the last type. वहां पे LCM plus R help करेगा. But when your negative remainder is same, you can use LCM minus R. वहां पे हम यूज करेंगे LCM minus R. I tell you how it works. See here, you divide a number by 5, your positive remainder 3. So first you calculate what is negative remainder. 2, 3 and 2, 5. 5 में से 3 चला गया, negative remainder बचा हुआ part होगा. Your divisor is 7. When you divide the same number by 7, your positive remainder 5. So what is your negative remainder? 2. So here your negative remainder is same. If your positive remainder same, LCM plus R will help. If your negative remainder is same, LCM minus R will help. How come 33 is the answer? It is LCM minus R. What is the LCM of 5 and 7? 35. What is your negative remainder? 2. 35 minus 2, 33 is the answer. Manually नहीं check करना. There is a concept of LCM minus R which work in this question. 35 में से 2 minus कर दो तो आंसर आ जाएगा. Wait, I will take 3 more questions so that I can explain this concept. My next question is smallest 2-digit number which when divided by 9 and 10, when divided by 9 and 10 gives the remainder 4 and 5 respectively. Try to understand question. It means if we divide by 9, we get remainder 4. Same number when we divide by 10, we get remainder 5. So first we understand this question. When you divide by 9, your positive remainder 4. When you divide the same number by 10, your positive remainder 5. So you have to scan question. Your positive remainder are different. Then immediately use negative remainder. When you divide by 9, positive remainder 4, so negative remainder 5. क्योंकि 9 minus 4, 5. पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर की टोटल वैल्यू डिवाइजर के बराबर होती है हमेशा. इफ योर डिवाइजर इज 10, पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर 5, व्हाट इज योर नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर? 5. So next step, LCM minus R. What is the LCM of 9 and 10? 90. What is the negative remainder? 5. So required answer is 85. Check कर लो. 85 is that smallest 2-digit number which when you divide by 9 you get remainder 4, and when you divide by 10 you get remainder 5. दो ही टाइप बनती है एलसीएम के क्वेश्चन में, या तो पॉजिटिव रिमाइंडर सेम होगा या नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर सेम होगा. अदरवाइज देयर इज अ मिसलेनियस टाइप व्हिच वी विल कवर इन मिसलेनियस पार्ट. अभी हम एलसीएम कवर कर रहे हैं. See, in LCM there are two type as far as remainder is concerned, positive remainder same और negative remainder same. उसके अलावा अगर नेगेटिव रिमाइंडर डिफरेंट है वो मिसलेनियस टाइप्स है, जो हम ये एचसीएम और एलसीएम कंप्लीट करने के बाद जब मिसलेनियस वाला पार्ट करेंगे उसमें डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ. अदरवाइज यू हैव टू यूज आंसर ऑप्शन.